want to share with you 3 ways that you can prevent yourself from getting too tight. A lot of people get tight throughout the day. As we get older, generally, we do get a little bit tighter. Things just aren't as loose. We don't feel as good. That's part of being healthy and fit, is feeling good, feeling limber, being able to have the range of motion to do your everyday tasks. So there's a few ways that I'm going to share with you that have really worked for me and a lot of our clients as well. The first thing you can do is, if you're like many people and you sit at a desk for your work day, or perhaps you're driving in your car for a big portion of the day, this is where you are going to have to schedule some time to break up your routine. If you're driving for an excessively long period of time, or if you're sitting for 8 hours or even 5 hours of your day, then break it up. You might want to set a clock to remind yourself to get up. And it could be something as simple as just getting up and walking around the office, or if you have the luxury to walk outside, walk around the building. But that will go a long way. Studies even show that doing that kind of thing, moving throughout the day, even if it's not real hard exercise, does a lot of great things for your health. It's not only going to prevent weight gain, but it's also going to help lower blood pressure, lower risk of diabetes, and all these things that you can do just from scheduling some breaks. And same thing when you're driving. I know that for myself, we occasionally take long drives from Long Island, New York, all the way to Lancaster, where my in-laws are. We love going there. It's super exciting. And I'm such a productivity nut that I just want to get there. We get in the car. I don't care if the kids have to go to the bathroom. We're going there without stopping. Even if there's traffic, we're sitting there for 6 hours in the car so that we can get there as fast as possible. But I learned my lesson, because the first time I did that, I remember when I got back, I felt like I couldn't move for a few days. I sacrificed from sitting in that position for so long. Now what I do is I make sure to schedule some breaks where I can get out and stretch. Sometimes I'll even do sort of a mini workout during the trip so that I stay nice and loose, keeps the blood flowing, and I feel so much better when I do that. Other things that I do is I try to stretch in the car. Might sound a little dangerous, but I'll put it on cruise control, stretch out my legs a little bit, and I think that helps as well. The second thing you can do is bookending your day. So whether it's first thing in the morning when you're setting your coffee up for your first cup of coffee, redeem that time and stretch out. You might do some calf stretches or some quadricep stretches or some upper body stretches while that coffee's brewing, and that will help start your day off right. And then the same thing goes for the evening. Take just 2 mobility exercises in the evening and give it a shot before you go to bed. You'll sleep better. It'll kick in what's called your parasympathetic system, will relax you, and you'll sleep better. It might be something as simple as some kind of wall stretch to stretch out your arms, or some kind of leg stretches that you might do. So remember, bookend your days with a couple of mobility drills, break up your day, and make sure to include some foam rolling throughout your day, whether that's in the morning, in the middle of the day, or in the evening. Give that a shot. Add it, even if it's just a couple of different drills every day, it will go a long way. Hope this helps.